ASRock HT330 HD series not only provides the excellent 3D graphics performance, it also integrates a lot of terrific features. Like the remote controller, it is so convenient for the users, especially for the home entertainment systems. Like this, I just push the power button on the remote controller, and then the whole system power on. Special skills here is, even when we first time plug in AC power, the power button still works. It is also the major difference if you compare with other MC remote controller dongle, because all of the rest remote controller dongle cannot power on the system when we first time plug in AC power. After entering into OS, I can simply push the MC button. Then the system will turn on the media center for me automatically. In Windows Media Center, I can select whatever I want, pictures, if I want to view pictures like this. It simply shows to me. You can see it is very useful for us to view pictures like this. Next one, next one. Right. And if I want to see some movies like this, I can simply select the playback software. And if I want to listen to music, I simply select the music library and play the album. So easy, right? And the HT330 HD series also supports the wireless LAN, the Wi-Fi IEEE 802.11n, and actually there are two invisible antennas inside from panel. One is a vertical, the other is horizontal, here and here. Okay, it can provide the most coverage for the wireless networks. And regarding the audio part, the HT330 HD series supports the premium Blu-ray audio and the DTS audio effect. For the premium Blu-ray audio, it is actually a very high-end, high-quality audio quality, and it can provide the audio signal as a very high-end quality, like 24-bit, 192 kHz, if you got this kind of high-end audio source. And for the DTS audio effect, it can provide a seamless audio experience for the surround sound. HT330 HD series is capable to support RAID 0 and RAID 1 by adapting the second 2.5-inch hard drive in its small 2.5 bigger system. Like this. You can adapt the second one, 2.5-inch hard drive here. With the RAID 0 support, you can enjoy a faster transfer speed, and with RAID 1 support, you can never be afraid of the data damage or loss. And according to our HD test result, with RAID 0 support, the performance is up to 197 performance boost up compared to the IDE mode. Alright, let's check out the back I/O of the HT330 HD series. This is the DC in jack, and this is the SPDIF optical audio output, and this is the 7.1 HD audio jack, and with 6 USB 2.0 ports, and this is a DW LAN jack, and HDMI output, and this D-sub DJ output, and the last one is a power ESA USB port. This one's actually cool because with our USB port, you can connect the eSATA devices or the USB devices without additional power connected. The HT330 HT series meet the Energy Star 5.0 standard and also the UB 2.0 standard. According to UB 2.0 standard, and that means when the system is on the power off mode, the total power AC consumption is under 0.5 watt. So that is really power saving. Although Ezra HT330 HT series is mid-top home entertainment system, Ezra R&D still provides some nice BIOS options for users, especially for the performance users, to overclocking their system, like the Easy OC BIOS option. Right now we're in the BIOS OC trigger menu. Okay, in this menu, you can find that there's one option called Load Optimize CPU OC setting. Okay, here we can simply just overclock the CPU frequency with one click, like this. We can overclock from the CPU frequency, original frequencies on 1600 MHz to 2000 MHz, just with one simple click, and then save and exit. That is so easy. And now we're entering into OS, and we found that according to CPU-Z, the original HT330 2-core CPU, the frequency is 1.6 GHz. Now with just one click with Easy OC, we found that the core speed is overclocking to 2000 MHz here. It's so easy. That's Easy OC. And there's also another worth meaning to what we call that benign LED. And when we enable the benign LED, it can turn off the annoying LED lights, no matter the system is running or when the system is in sleep mode. And it can make us won't be disturbed anymore by the annoying LED. Especially when you put the system in your bedroom and you're doing kind of long-time download when you're sleeping during the night, or you want to make your living room as a home theater by turning on the lights, see movies, then the LED can really help you. And of course, the HT330 HT series is fully compatible with Windows 7. And for the other software part, the HT330 HT series is also equipped with the most famous software tool from Ezra, the Instant Boot. Can make you boot up your system into OS with just a few seconds. And not only this, this time as well, it's also a free bundle of nice software from CyberLink. We call that CyberLink DVD Suite. It can offer us a string of CyberLink tools. You can play, you can edit, you can back up, you can edit your multimedia contents. That is also cool. Alright, now I guess you guys should love this new home entertainment system so much, don't you? This is Chris from Ezra YouTube channel, and stay tuned for this. We'll bring you more and more hot stuffs. Stay tuned.